I'm here at Zoomies, our first Houston members only dog park. It is in construction and in the works right now. I'm here for the BTS and to check it out a bit, so stay tuned. Let me show you guys.
Started out riding Batman with the geezers when this shit didn't work, I could pop out the chick. All of them times my bad ass still ain't listen, was living, but taught me the ways of that kitchen. Don't need me a pot, I can microwave with it. I bang the high seat just like a Christian. Went from that set to the spot, now we living, still running they mouth, they gon' die about them bitches. They bitches and most of them not from the trenches. Come to my block, come and see how we living. We chillin' with Glocks and I got extensions. Move to the north cause I seen they